3 days after bidding a tearful adieu to Rajesh Khanna, his family, friends and Bollywood celebrities met in Mumbai for a prayer meeting. As we slip into a break, we leave you with visuals of people and Bollywood celebrities from Amitabh to Amir paying tribute to India's original superstar.
कुछ अजीब थी ये शाम भी अजीब है वो कल भी पास पास थी वो आज भी करीब है वो शाम कुछ अजीब थी।